Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to register on Bookmap. And if you want to register on Bookmap, go right here to their page. Change first of all the language to the language that you want to use. So let's do right here English, that is fine. And then we click right here on start for free. Then he's verifying, and then after this we can create ourselves an account. So we fill in right here our email address. So we will do this right here. Create ourselves a nice password. Then we select right here, I'm not a robot. And then we select right here, sign up. Then right now he's creating our account right here. And we can already see here left in the top, Bookmap digital free. And now we need to wait for a few seconds because he is creating our account. Thank you for signing up. You are licensed as Tommy Flex at outlook.com and password are chosen on sign up page. So that is nice. And then right now we can select right here that we want to download the application right here. And he's also saying to us, check your email. We will be sending you helpful resources in the coming days for starting with the Bookmap basics. So now we created ourselves an account, and this is how you can register yourselves on Bookmap. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.